You could see that they are all amazing fans of Davido. Look at the way they were vibing to the song. All of them are dressed in different Davido costume in most of his video. Now they organized this birthday party and they call it the 30 BG birthday party for this beloved friends of theirs, and they were all dressed in different attire of Davido, different kind of music. You can see this one is dressed in a Lala attire, which is the video Lala featuring CK, and all display amazingly. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. You see how they display all of that. They did an amazing thing out there, and the video surprised them. They were all happy and had a wonderful time. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here.